Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, first of all, happy new year to everyone and you might have seen already from the thumbnail itself that you can become data scientist with the investment of 1100, which is very much nominal. And you might be thinking, how is it true or it's a scam or what is it? Yeah, it's true. But before discussing further, let me introduce myself. So myself Priyavat, and I am based out of Bangalore, and I have 5 years of overall experience in the field of data science and AI analytics. Today's in this video we'll be discussing about how to become a data scientist with a very nominal fee or very minimal investment, because if you are a student you might not have that much of money to invest to learn a specific technology, because you don't know whether you are going to have a career in this specific field after you enroll yourself into this in this field or into a specific course which is related to data science or AI or artificial intelligence, right? And nowadays you all know that AI or data science or machine learning is in boom, or it has a very high demand nowadays in the market, and everyone wants to build their career in this specific field because it has demand and also it has very good salary. So what is happening nowadays, the educational industry is looting the fresher or the people those who want to learn. Now if you see or if you search in the Google, you will be able to get courses, or you might be seeing the advertisements that you need to pay 30,000 or 40,000, 50,000, even 1 lakh to learn this specific skill, because they are doing tie up with like various institutions, or they are providing the PG programs, etc, etc. So here and also due to this high demand and also due to this high fee structure, people are not able to enroll themselves because many people are jobless, those who want to do the transition into this specific field. And also there might be some experienced people, they are not getting that much of salary to invest in this specific field, because they don't know whether they are going to get a job in this specific field after investing so much of time, I mean so much of time as well as the money, because this is huge, right? 1 lakh or 50,000 per for 6 months or just to complete one course, is it really worth it? So here I am here to help everyone. I'll be providing the course, what exactly they are providing, same thing will be here, but it will be like very. So but nowadays if you go for data science, as I discussed earlier, and you have already seen, it is like 50,000, 60,000, it is huge. But here is nothing like that, it will be very much nominal, because here we'll be charging you very much, I mean minimum price will be there or fees will be there, and it is just because of for the sake of maintenance purpose, I mean taking the premium membership or license for Teams application, so that we can schedule sessions for the students. So that's why we're charging over here. But idea over here to help everyone to get the knowledge in the specific field, and they can train themselves, and or you can say they can get trained in this specific field, and they can start applying for this position, so that later they will not be regretting, I have already invested this much of time and money and I'm not able to get any job, right? So you need to so yeah, so before discussing further, I'll be telling you why you should enroll in this specific program. And before discussing or going further, one thing I just wanted to discuss. So it's like limited seat we are providing, and the live sessions will be starting from second week of January. And so you can go through the video or points that I am highlighting, and later if you are interested, then don't wait or don't waste your time, just fill the form, and so that you can enroll yourself in this specific field or specific course, sorry. And now we'll be discussing about the key features that we are providing, or the key ideas or the perspectives, or you can say points that I'll be telling you why you should enroll yourself in this specific field or course. So as I discussed with you earlier, it's a like tie up with Pi-TechnoHub, who is providing you the courses or live lectures. I mean I'll be there also. But yeah, so the key points over here is the live session, so there will be no recordings. I mean you can go for the live lectures the teacher will be there, you can attend the sessions. So first point is the live lecture. There will be no recordings, I mean like recordings later you can refer, but you can attend to the live lectures as well. So second key point or the feature is the flexibility. So I know many people are might be working or might be the working professionals, and then don't they may not be able to attend the weekdays classes. They may be like preferred for or go for the weekday weekend classes, right? So it's up to you whether you want to go for weekdays class or you can go for the weekend class. So out of 7, these are the two key points of the feature. So the third key feature over here is the recording. So if you in case you miss any recording I mean classes or live lecture, the recordings will be there. You can go through the recordings because you will be able to have the access, and it's a lifetime access, and you will be able to access the recordings later, and you can go through the modules as well. So fourth key point over here is the materials or the lecture notes, as also we will be providing you the interview questions. So once you complete a specific topic or something related to the specific topic, what will be the interview questions and what will be the answers you might face in the whenever you are going to attend any interview. So this is the fourth key feature. And coming to the fifth one, so once you complete any specific module, for example SQL for data science or data analytics, or Python for data science, or Python data science with Python or machine learning. So once you complete a specific module, there will be capstone project. So it can be like a single project, I mean one person will be doing the project himself or herself, or it will be a group project. So based on the strength of the batch, it will decide whether it should be group project or single project or standalone project. So we'll be taking votes from the students as well. Whatever they want, we'll be doing accordingly. So the projects will be based on the real life situations or the scenarios, and whatever the test cases or the use cases the companies may ask. Similar kind of like use cases will be there. You need to solve it with the real time data. So there will be 8 to 9 projects you need to complete, and each project will be taking 2 to 3 hours to complete. So whether it's a group project or a single project, it will be taking 3 to 4 hours. So the fifth fifth important or the key feature is the doubt clearing session. So every week and weekend, for example Saturday or Sunday, there will be the doubt clearing session. So where the teacher will be there, students will be there, whatever doubts you have, the teacher will be clearing it out then and there. And it will be like hardly 2 to 3 hours of session. There you can clear all your doubts, like nothing will be left, everything will be discussed over there. And sixth one is the mock interview. So whenever you are going to attend any specific interview, for example you are going to attend the data scientist profile interview for Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra, right? So you can come to us and you can say, hi Priyavrat, like I have interview for this specific company, and it has been scheduled tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So please I want just a mock interview. So there will be scheduling a mock interview, and we'll be taking your interview, and we'll be telling like in which field you need to focus, or like what is your like weakness, and how exactly you need to prepare in order to crack this interview. And also we know in the for the specific profile for the specific company what exactly they will ask. So similar kind of thing will be asking, and it's totally free of cost. And if you ask me how many mock interviews you will be getting, minimum of 3 mock interviews you will get. And if you did more interviews or more mock interviews, then you can provide that as well. And it will be totally dependent on the like how much time you have before the real interview. Because why I'm saying, like if tomorrow you have the mock interview, real interview, and today you are asking me to schedule it in the afternoon or evening, it may not be like possible for us, like because maybe like we are busy in taking interview for like of other students and all, right? So it may take some time, or it may create problems. So if you like, at least you need to give us 1 to 2 days before your real interviews. And seventh key feature over here is, once you complete this course, you'll be getting the course completion certificate. So I know like many institutions are there, or online course providing platforms are there, those who issue the provide the certificates, right? But this certificate has weightage, because it has very much many like recognitions in that certificate itself. You might be able to see, because like in the description I'll be attaching one sample certificate or course completion certificate for your reference. So these are the 7 to 8 key features, like here we have discussed. So like this is the key features, or one should enroll themselves into this specific field or course. So now coming to the what are the course, or technologies or the skills you will acquire in once you enroll yourself into this specific course, or into this field. So first is the SQL for analytics. Once you complete the SQL for analytics, then we'll go for Python for data science, then data science with Python. Then coming to the machine learning, both supervised and unsupervised machine learning will be there, and at the end the deep learning, so which is very much important in this specific field. And also when you are learning the data science with Python, there you will also learn NLP, natural language processing, because it is very much important. You might have heard the chatbot and speech recognition like Google Assistant, etc., right? So these are the technologies or AIs who worked on the related to NLP. So NLP is very much important. In the interview you will definitely get the queries or questions, or test cases from the, or sorry, use cases from this specific field. So these are the few things. And also I'll be attaching the curriculum in the description of this video. I mean, the link will be there where you can go through the link, and you'll be able to know what are the points or the topics we are going to cover in this specific course. And also there'll be a Google form that you need to fill up if you want to enroll yourself in this specific course, because we have minimum number of seats available, because it's limited. We don't want more student in a specific batch. So if you are interested, then don't waste your time. You can click on the link that we have provided in the description of this video. You can click on the link and you can register yourself for this specific course. One of us will approach to you for further discussion or further process or the steps. You can follow the steps and you can enroll yourself, and also you can attend the this workshop. First of all, there will be orientation, and or you can say workshop, and once you complete the orientation, there everything will be discussed. Then you can, if you are interested further, then you can go for the, follow for the you can follow further steps in order to start with this specific course. So if you have any queries or doubts or the concerns, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you. So see you in the next